Bitcoin has just done something for the first time in more than 8 months, and this can take the Bitcoin price to more than $200,000. What exactly is that move, and where could we be heading next? This and much more in today's video.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release. Also, if you'd like to discuss about Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies, head over to Telegram and join our family. This is completely free of cost and you can join it by clicking the link given in the description below as well as in the pinned comments. Now let's jump on to the Bitcoin charts. So we are currently on the Bitcoin US dollar weekly chart, and in this video we are majorly going to cover the weekly time frame and see where are we heading for the next few weeks. So let's first get the stochastic RSI and see what it has done. So stochastic RSI for the first time has actually, the blue line has crossed over the red line. Okay, and this is done for the first time since September. This is not the one which I was mentioning to you about in the introduction. We have something special there, so make sure you stay till the last and watch the video completely. So the blue line in the stochastic RSI has actually crossed over the red line, and the last time this happened, it was back in September. And if we take a quick measurement from September, so Bitcoin went only 511% move for the all-time high. Now if we assume that we go up by that percentage right now, we will be looking at approximate price for Bitcoin at about $212,000 per Bitcoin. Is this move confirmed? No, it is not yet, right? When is the stochastic RSI move confirmed? Only when the blue line crosses over the red line. Also, the blue and the red line both has to enter into this zone over 20. Only then will the move get confirmed, and you need to stay subscribed to our channel and join our Telegram family to keep yourself up to date from the happenings of the stochastic RSI as well. We will keep you up to date on that as well. Now let's get another indicator which is very significant, and that is the 20-week SMA and the 21-week EMA. Okay, so let's quickly get that. So this we have been calling as the bull market support band. Okay, and here what we can see is basically there is not a great news as far as this is concerned. Okay, so this right here, the green line is the 21-week EMA, which is currently at about 39,270 odd, and the yellow line right here is the 20-week SMA, which is at about $44,400. Now in this week we actually tested the 21-week EMA, and so far we have got rejected, but the week has just started. We still have 5 days to go for this. If we are able to move above it, then the next target would obviously be the 20-week simple moving average. Now mind you, for a move to be confirmed, we need not to break the resistance, but we need to break the resistance and come down and treat that resistance as a support. So what I mean by that here is we need to break above the 20-week simple moving average. Also, we need to come down and treat this 20-week simple moving average as a support, because if we don't treat this as a support and we just go over it and just come down, then the move continues, right? So we will still be in a bearish sentiments. Now let's get the Gaussian channel and see what it is telling us. So as we have discussed multiple number of times that once we enter the Gaussian channel on the 5 days or the 7 days time frame, then it actually takes at least a year to come out of it. Now there is some good news for you from the Gaussian channel. For the past 2 weeks we have actually tested the Gaussian channel. Actually in the last week we entered the Gaussian channel and we actually came out of it. So we actually treated the top level of the Gaussian channel as a good support. But let's take a look left on the chart and see what we have done in the past for the Gaussian channel when we were coming from the top to bottom. Okay, so basically once we were coming down from the top was in September 2019, wherein we first tested the Gaussian channel we went above it, and for the next 3 weeks we stayed above it, and then we got a big red candle right to the median line of the Gaussian channel. Okay, that is not a good thing. Okay, let's further look left. Let's take a look on 2018 when we were coming down from the previous peak of the bull market, right? We tested the top of the Gaussian channel, we went above for 3 to 4 weeks, and then we entered and we went below the bottom level of the Gaussian channel. Okay, so this is not a good sign that we are doing right now, but if you are able to hold the top layer of the Gaussian channel as a support, probably we might be in a good scenario and we might be heading north. But for the next 3 to 4 weeks, I will be looking at how these weekly candles play out in regards to the Gaussian channel. Okay, that is very, very important. Now let's take a quick look on the fear and greed index and see what it is telling us. Now the fear and greed index is giving a reading of 32, which actually highlights that we are still in fear, but it has risen from yesterday, which was 26, and last week was 19. Okay, so we have risen from these levels of 19 and 20, and we have broken above 32. Now 30 is a strong resistance. So this is the past 3 months data that I have, and as you can see, we actually tested 30 multiple number of times. Okay, back in 27th May we tested 30, again in 17th May we tested 30, again June we tested 30. So we have tested 30 multiple number of times, and it is only the second time that we have actually went past the 30 on the fear and greed index. This is very, very important. When was the first time? The first time was during the June 14th and 15th rally, which was a fake out, obviously, which we know by now, and we went up to about 38 and then we got a rejection from there. So we need to keep an eye on this fear and greed index for the next 3 to 4 days. Probably we need to come down and treat 30 as a support. That is very, very important. Only then we will be able to build any sort of market structure. Right from May till July, we were in the zone of between 10 to 30. Okay, we were actually building a great market structure, if I have to be honest with you, since the past 1 month. Okay, since June 25th we have been in this zone between 20 and 30 for quite some time. Obviously there were 2 instances when we went below it as well, when we went to 10, but currently it is holding on very well. Now I'm going to show you the most important indicator which I told you about in the introduction, and that indicator is the NVT. So we test the NVT on a weekly time frame, and I have some amazing news for you as far as the NVT is concerned. We actually changed from white to red on the NVT. Okay, and if history is any indication, this tells us that the momentum is back into the market. That is amazing news. Let's see when was the last time it happened. It happened back in October. Okay, October 12th we went from white to the red. Of course there was a small instance here as well, but that was a fake out. But in October we went from white to red. Now if we do a measurement of the move that we had from there, it is actually a move of approximately 500%. Okay, so it's actually 500%, and if we measure the move from this week onwards, then we are looking at approximately $200,000 per Bitcoin. Okay, so we rose by approximately 500% then, and if we rise by 500% now, this could be a move which takes Bitcoin to $200,000. Now I'm not saying that this move is confirmed. We still have got time in our hands, and this is not gonna happen so soon. But if history is any indication, it tells us that it has the power to take Bitcoin to $200,000. And in the previous bull runs, what we have known as the second leg of the bull market is way more powerful than the first leg. So if this is the beginning of the second leg of the bull run, we can look at a Bitcoin price of about $150,000 to $200,000 according to me. What do you think? Where can Bitcoin top out in this market cycle? do comment below and let me know. So that's pretty much it about this video. So if you like the content, please smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos. If you want to join our premium channel, you can do so by contacting me on Telegram. My Telegram is given on the pinned comments, as well as if you want to join our normal discussions channel, it's completely free of cost. You can do that by clicking the link given in the description below as well as in the pinned comment. So take very good care of yourself. Thank you for watching. Share this video with your friends and family. Bye bye for now.